Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be installing these island twists, some body wave human hair, and y'all, these are so long, super lightweight, which is what I love. This video is sponsored by Eayon Hair. They sent me 3 18-inch body wave bundles. This is my second time working with them. The first time I worked with them, I used their Spanish curly hair, I believe it was, and I loved it. So I'm going to install this and then just come back and tell you my overall thoughts about the body wave hair. Basically, this is the bag that it comes in. I really like this type of reusable bag because I still have the old one that I use for random things. They sent me 3 packs of the 18-inch body wave. This is how it looks, y'all. That is so pretty. It's so silky and shiny. And these bundles are super full. Super full. I actually blow dried my hair last night and put it in braids, so that's why it looks really like crinkly right now. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to blow dry it out just on cool to get it back straight and not crinkly. So the other supplies you're going to need for this hairstyle is edge control, and this is my favorite edge control by Lock Booster, but make sure you get the silver one because the gold one isn't as good. You're going to need some clips, a comb, and some scissors. So for the actual twist, I'm going to be using this Molly twist braid hair in the length of 86 inches. The brand is called Zuri. So once I have my section of hair, I'm just going to kind of comb in the edge control and make sure that the section is smooth. Then I'm going to take the twist hair and twist it at the center and then kind of braid it on like as if I'm about to do a box braid. So most people do island twist now with braiding hair, and that's great if you know how to feed in hair, like for example doing like a knotless braid to start it off. But when I'm doing my own hair, it's really hard for me to do the knotless braid technique. So I like this type of coarse twist hair because it attaches onto your hair really well, even if you're doing like just the box braid style initially. So like I'm doing here, I'm just doing the box braid like 4 inches at the top, and then I'm going to twist it down. Since I'm at the nape of my neck, I'm going to put the body wave hair a little bit further down the twist because you don't want to get it matted up there by your neck area. Now that I've twisted down enough, I'm going to take out a piece of the body wave hair from the bundle. I take about this much and I just apply some edge control at the tip of it so that way it can stay twisted up in the braid good. So I just start twisting the hair in, and then once I get down enough, I'm going to take the long piece of the body wave hair and clip it towards the clip it on the twist so that way I can keep it out of the way and keep twisting down. I'm going to go ahead and start to twist in a second piece of body wave hair once I get towards the end of the twist because I want that body wave hair to come out the bottom as well. And I'm just going to do the same technique that I did towards the middle of the twist. My favorite part is taking the clips off and seeing how pretty that hair looks on that twist. And yeah, so this is just one angle. I'm going to show you a clearer angle towards the front, but I just wanted to tell you the difference in how much hair I add in the back versus the front. So once I have my section parted out and my root smoothed out with the edge control, I'm going to start braiding on the Molly twist braid hair like a box braid. That's how I'm going to start it out. And then once I braid down a couple inches. I'm going to clip my hair at the roots to avoid it twisting up once I start twisting in the hair. I'm going to take some body wave hair and put some edge control at the roots, and then I'm going to split my hair into two with the Molly braid twist. Put the body wave hair in between the two sections and start to twist down. Once I twist down far enough, I'm going to take the long piece of body wave hair and clip it back. Then I'm just going to take some more edge control and keep twisting down until I want to add in my next piece of body wave hair. Towards the front, I like to add about 3 pieces just for like fullness and everything. So I'm going to add in my second piece by doing the same technique as before. I'm going to add edge control to the top of it and then twist it in. And mind you, when you're twisting it in, you want one piece to be very long and the other piece to be shorter, and then just twist down until you pass the short end of the body wave hair, and then you can clip up the long end, if that makes any sense. And then I'm just going to keep twisting down until I add in my final piece towards the bottom. Once I get about this far down, I'm going to put in the last piece of body wave hair like I did at the top. I'm going to twist down all the way till I get past the short end of the body wave hair, and then I'm going to clip the long end up. Now I'm going to remove all the clips that was holding back the body wave hair, and do you just see how beautiful that is with it coming out of the bottom? I absolutely love the effortless texture that this hair gives to the twists and the style. It just looks so pretty. So when some of the short end of the body wave hair is sticking out, I just like to cut that off for a clean finish. I'm just going to show you the technique a couple more times. I'm not going to talk through all of it because you kind of get the gist. It just depends on how many pieces of body wave hair you want in each twist. For me, I like to add more, like up to 3 in the front, and then keep it to 2 towards the back. Okay, so this is me the next day. I have one more piece to do, so I figured I would do the last one on camera. I'm just going to smooth it out with my edge control and my comb. And I'm going to start off the twist like a box braid. Then I'm going to clip my hair at the root and split my hair into two. I'm going to start to twist in the body wave hair. Once I twist down past the shorter end of the body wave hair, I'm going to clip the longer end up and continue to twist down. And then I'm going to add 2 more pieces throughout this twist as well. So to finish off the style, I'm going to add some Shine and Jam mousse. I'm only going to put it on the roots because I don't want to mess up the fluffy texture of the body wave hair. So I'm just going to spread that throughout my roots. And then I'm going to take some Got2b spray to spray my scalp as well. And of course, my favorite step is adding the oil sheen to add some shine to the style. Again, I'm just focusing on mostly my roots at this point because I want to make sure that the hair stays nice and fluffy. Here is the final results. I love this style. This might be one of my favorite styles that I've ever did on myself. I just added these cute little bows on one side of my head because I love the little bow trend that's happening right now. It's so cute. So I just decided to add a little girly touch to the hairstyle because this hairstyle is just so girly to me, especially with the body wave hair. In total, I used about one 1.25 of the bundles, and look how full this is. It looks so good. I ended up using about 5 packs of the twist hair, and yeah, it turned out so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all, this install took a while just because the twist hair is so long. I really wanted these twists to be really long, so it did take me a long time, but it was so worth it. My overall thoughts about the Eayon body wave hair is I love it. I've been trying to figure out how these hairstylists would get like this effortless wavy boho look, and finally I figured out that it's body wave hair. This body wave hair, when I tell y'all, it comes super full. Like the bundles that they send is already cut off the weft, but it's so full, bouncy and shiny. So when it comes to shipping, it actually only took it actually came in 5 days of them shipping it, which is super fast. It comes through DHL. Prices on their website are really affordable, and you're actually getting like great quality hair. I absolutely love it. Like I feel like this body wave just brought this hairstyle to the next level. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I just wanted something like very effortless, very flowy, lightweight, so where it's not weighing my neck down. And this is so perfect. Like I love it. If you all enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.